What if I told you there are stocks out there right now that could change the way you think about investing? Stocks with the potential to double or even triple your money in the coming years. And the best part? These stocks are all priced under $5. Yes, you heard that right, under $5. You don't need to be a millionaire or have a huge portfolio to get started. Even with a small budget, you can begin building your financial future. Today I'm going to introduce you to 5 high-potential cheap stocks under $5 that are flying under the radar, but have the potential to deliver big returns. These companies are not just any companies. They are innovators, disruptors, and leaders in their respective industries. For instance, one of them is a leader in global telecommunications, helping to connect people across the world. Another is a pioneer in cloud communication solutions, a sector that's growing exponentially as businesses and individuals rely more on digital connectivity. Then there's a giant in the cable and broadband space, a company that's essential in keeping us all connected in today's digital age. We also have a major player in real estate investment, a sector that has historically been a cornerstone of wealth creation. And finally, a streaming and entertainment company that's tapping into one of the largest and fastest growing markets in the world. If you're serious about finding opportunities in the stock market, this is the video you need to watch. Stick around, because we're going to dive deep into what makes these companies so special. We'll explore their growth strategies and why I believe they're poised for significant success in the near future. And hey, if you're finding this information valuable, don't forget to hit that like button. Let's aim for 1,000 likes on this video. It really helps the channel grow and reach more people like you. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time we drop a new video. You don't want to miss out on the next big investing opportunity. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into these 5 high-potential stocks under $5 that you absolutely can't afford to miss. First up, we're heading overseas to Spain, home of Telefónica SA, ticker symbol TEF, one of the largest telecommunications companies in the world. Founded in 1924, Telefónica has grown from a local telephone operator to a global powerhouse in the telecom industry. Its headquarters in Madrid stands as a symbol of its rich history and its forward-looking vision. Telefónica is publicly traded and accessible to investors worldwide who are looking to tap into the telecom sector. Now, if you haven't heard of Telefónica, you might be surprised to learn just how influential this company is. It's not just a name in Spain, it's a global player with a significant impact on how we communicate and connect. You might be more familiar with some of their brands like O2, Movistar, and Vivo. These brands are household names in their respective markets, providing everything from mobile services to broadband and digital solutions. Telefónica is a giant in the telecommunications world, offering cutting-edge technology and services that keep millions of people connected every single day. From high-speed internet to mobile networks, they're at the forefront of innovation. Their reach is truly global, with a massive presence in Europe and Latin America. These regions are key markets where Telefónica has established itself as a leader, providing essential services to both urban and rural areas. We're talking about a company with over 365 million customers. That's an enormous customer base, reflecting the trust and reliability that Telefónica has built over the years. To put that into perspective, that's more than the entire population of the United States. Imagine the scale of operations required to serve such a vast number of people. And the best part? Despite their massive scale and influence, Telefónica is trading at a surprisingly low price. This could be a golden opportunity for investors looking for value in the telecom sector. Telefónica has been laser-focused on expanding its 5G network and fiber optic infrastructure. These advancements are not just about faster internet, they're about enabling the future of technology, from smart cities to autonomous vehicles. In today's data-driven world, having robust and reliable networks is more important than ever. Telefónica is positioning itself as a key player in this space, ensuring that businesses and individuals alike can thrive in the digital age. Think about it. Everyone and their grandma needs internet access these days. From streaming movies to remote work and online education, the demand for connectivity is only going to grow. Telefónica is strategically positioned to capitalize on this ever-growing demand. By investing in infrastructure and technology, they're ensuring they stay ahead of the curve. They're also making smart moves by divesting from non-core assets. This allows them to focus on their core strengths and invest in areas that promise the highest returns. By streamlining their operations, Telefónica is not just cutting costs, but also improving profitability. This is a clear sign of a company that's serious about long-term growth and sustainability. All of this tells me one thing: Telefónica is committed to creating value for its shareholders. Whether you're a customer, an investor, or just someone interested in the telecom industry, Telefónica is a name worth knowing. Next, we're diving into the world of cloud communications with Ribbon Communications, trading under the ticker symbol RBBN. Now, Ribbon might not be a household name like Apple or Amazon, but they're a silent powerhouse in the world of network solutions. They provide the backbone for secure and reliable real-time communications, and let me tell you, that's a big deal in today's world. Think about all the video calls, online meetings, and virtual events happening every single day. Ribbon's technology is what makes that possible, and as more businesses embrace remote work and digital transformation, the demand for their services is only going to skyrocket. But here's the kicker. Ribbon isn't just riding the coattails of existing trends. They're actively innovating and pushing the boundaries of what's possible in cloud communications. They're heavily invested in areas like artificial intelligence, machine learning, and 5G, which are all set to revolutionize the way we connect and communicate. Now, let's talk about Altice USA, trading under the ticker symbol ATUS. They're a major player in the cable and broadband industry, providing high-speed internet, video, and mobile services to millions of customers across the United States. You might know them through their brands like Optimum and Suddenlink. Now I know what you're thinking. Cable companies? Isn't that a dying industry? Well, think again. While it's true that traditional cable TV is facing some headwinds, Altice is strategically positioned to capitalize on the ever-growing demand for high-speed internet. They've been aggressively investing in fiber optic infrastructure to deliver lightning-fast internet speeds, and that's a game-changer in today's world. Think about it, everyone from gamers to remote workers to streamers relies on fast, reliable internet, and Altice is making sure they're the provider of choice. Next up, we're diving into the world of real estate with Brandywine Realty Trust, trading under the ticker symbol BDN. Now Brandywine is a real estate investment trust, or REIT, which means they own and operate income-producing real estate properties. But here's the thing, Brandywine isn't just your average REIT, they're laser-focused on developing, owning, and managing high-quality office properties in some of the most desirable markets in the United States. We're talking about prime locations in cities like Philadelphia, Austin, and Washington, D.C., where demand for office space is consistently high, and here's the kicker. Brandywine isn't just sitting on their existing portfolio, they're actively developing new properties and upgrading existing ones to meet the evolving needs of today's businesses. They understand that the modern workforce is looking for more than just a desk and a chair. They want collaborative spaces, sustainable buildings, and access to amenities that enhance their work-life balance. Finally, let's head over to China, where we'll explore the world of iQiyi, trading under the ticker symbol IQ. Now, if you're not familiar with iQiyi, think of them as the Netflix of China. They're a leading streaming platform with a massive library of movies, TV shows, and original content. But here's the thing, iQiyi is more than just a streaming service. They're a complete entertainment ecosystem. They've got their hands in everything from online gaming to literature to e-commerce, creating a one-stop shop for all things entertainment. And let's not forget about the sheer size of the Chinese market. With over 1.4 billion people, China represents a massive opportunity for growth, and iQiyi is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this trend. They're constantly innovating and expanding their content library to cater to the diverse tastes of Chinese consumers, and that's a recipe for success in the long run. So there you have it. 5 high-potential stocks under $5 that you can add to your watch list today. These stocks represent opportunities for growth, but as with any investment, it's important to approach them with a clear strategy. Start by identifying your financial goals. Are you looking for short-term gains, or are you in it for the long haul? Understanding your objectives will help you decide how these stocks fit into your portfolio. Remember, investing always involves risk, so do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decisions. Take the time to analyze the financial health of these companies, review their earnings reports, and understand the industries they operate in. Look for trends, potential catalysts, and any red flags that might indicate higher risk. Knowledge is your best tool when navigating the stock market. If you want exclusive stock tips, in-depth analysis, real-time trade alerts, and free investing guides, we've got you covered. Join the Stocks Galore Patreon today and take your investing game to the next level. By becoming a member, you'll gain access to exclusive content, including detailed breakdowns of promising stocks, market trends, and strategies tailored to different investment styles. It's a community where like-minded individuals come together to share insights and grow their wealth. Head over to patreon.com/stocksgalore and become part of our growing community of smart investors. Don't miss out on the chance to connect with others who share your passion for investing and are eager to exchange ideas and strategies. Together we can navigate the market and uncover hidden opportunities. Link is in the description. What do you think about these 5 stocks? Are they worth adding to your portfolio, or do you have other favorites in mind? Are there any other under $5 stocks you have your eye on? Let me know in the comments below. Your input is invaluable, and I'd love to hear your take on these stocks. And don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more stock market insights and analysis. Until next time, happy investing and stay informed.